Hi, I'm Yasmin. I'm one of the laser and skin specialists here in Havana Digital Media, and in this video I'm going to be speaking about the difference between a home roller and microdermabrasion. So using a home roller at home, as I've said previously in my other videos, it helps to stimulate your collagen and your elastin completely naturally. It creates a controlled injury on the surface of your skin, and it also lets us enter our serums a little bit deeper underneath the skin to get to the root of our problems and concerns. It also helps with our open pores, acne scarring, and if you have any blocked pores, especially around the nose area, I find it's really good to unblock them. So compared to microdermabrasion is a mechanical exfoliator which has a head of surface diamonds. The diamonds will then get rid of all your dead skin cells. It's kind of like a hoover for your face really. So it gets rid of all your dead skin cells. It does help to an extent of unblocking your pores and scarring. My personal opinion, I don't see the results that way. I find that your skin is a nice brighter, it's not as dull, it's a nice kind of pick up for your skin, and a lot of people actually do it before they do the derma roller or before they do laser hair removal actually. So I like it, using it in conjunction with treatments like that. If you'd like to purchase your very own Image ADS Premium Derma Roller, all you have to do is follow the link below and you can avail of 60% off.